Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Fiverr notifications not working on iPhone or any iPhone or iPad or Android phone. So guys, here is I'm going to tell you two methods to fix this notification issue on your mobile. So guys, let's get start this video. So guys, first of all, open the Fiverr application. So here's the Fiverr. Now go to the profile. Now tap on the settings, tap on notifications, tap on push notifications. So tap to turn on push notifications. So guys, open settings. Now tap to allow notifications. So go back again Fiverr, go back to Fiverr. So here you can see this guys, push notifications, enable all the options. So go back, tap on email notifications, so auto messages. So here you can see this guys. So guys, here is the two simply method to fix your notification issue on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to test push notifications, you need to tap on the test push notifications. So guys, here is the simple method for fix your notification issue on your iPhone or iPad or Android phone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.